We're back with a list of 10 unique EDC items that you should check out. We bet that you have never heard of some of these everyday carry accessories before. This time you'll see tactical hard times gloves, mind-blowing multi-tools, titanium carabiner flashlight, and much more. Your hands are the most important tools in your EDC arsenal. Protect them with the tactical hard times gloves from 5.11. Made with a 4-way stretch back, a touchscreen compatible goatskin palm, and hard molded knuckle protectors. These gloves are dexterous enough to let you work but burly enough to keep you safe. Adjustable hook and loop wrist closure keeps them on, while an absorbent panel at the thumb dries your brow when the hard work kicks in. Tactical touch precision fits fingertips for maximum dexterity and comfort. Durable goatskin leather palm finger facings and Furchet's finger joint reinforcements, wrist closure and pull tab. Kevlar back panel for flash and slash protection. The James brand is perfectly positioned to earn a space in your tactical EDC. Their products are sleek and tough and so thoroughly designed as to eliminate anything unnecessary, leaving only utility behind. The Halifax multi-tool is machined from a single block of titanium and coated in Cerakote for extra durability and style. A simple stainless steel stud gives the tool bottle opening function, while the end of the Halifax can drive screws, scrape gunk, and pry what needs prying. Minimal footprint maximum function machine from a single block of 6AL4V titanium, the Halifax is a small but mighty companion, the perfect tool for a light functional carry. The Halifax will help you tighten down loose screws, pry your way out of a pinch, or open a cold beverage with its custom machined thumb stud bottle opener. The simple shape fits naturally into either hand, and the screwdriver works with both flathead or Phillips. The billet titanium construction stands up to whatever you throw its away. Pens, notepads, keys, earbuds, phone chargers, matches, mini tools, batteries, even the biggest pockets are hard-pressed to carry it all. Toss those small fiddly things in your pack and you'll spend too long hunting for them. The Maxpedition Fatty Pocket Organizer is built extra tough from Ballistic Nylon and goes in or attaches to your pack. The interior comes packed with pockets, straps, and zips to keep everything organized. Looking for that lighter? You know right where to find it. Portable multi-tool managers that can be packed, carried, or easily secured to the PALS webbing exterior of your Maxpedition bag. The interior layout features a slip pocket, zipper pocket, key clip, and various sized elastic organizers. Here's a wire gate carabiner that can open bottles, light your way, and hang onto your keys. Made from tough TC4 titanium, the FL10 weighs in just under 2 ounces, yet packs a small 360 max lumen lamp made by LED component giant Cree that'll help you open locks or make repairs in the dark. It charges via micro USB and has a wedge tool at one end, offering extra utility for your EDC. MecArmy offers innovative and dependable products. The products focus on the original design, innovation, high quality, and environmental protection. Product categories include outdoor tactical flashlights, handmade knives, EDC. MecArmy's flashlights are compact with high lumen output and a USB charging interface. FL10 is probably the first carabiner coming with a flashlight. It could be attached to your bags, keychains, or wrapped by a paracord. You can carry it every day, and it will be greatly helpful when you need it. You can use it when you need light in the darkness, a box opener when you received a package bought online, etc. The front side of the pendant is a calendar of 50 years, 2007 to 2056, having the function of showing dates. Very practical. Made of high-quality metal zinc alloy material, sturdy and durable, with a perpetual calendar pendant, small and exquisite, light and handy, convenient to carry with your keys, nice looking as well. Ideal companion of your keys, easy and compact, lightweight to carry with your keys. The backside of the pendant is merely a smooth surface, very simple. Your plans may take you somewhere wet, or you may have not planned it at all, but in order to keep yourself and your carry dry, try this jacket. With a 3-layer Gore-Tex Pro Shell and water-resistant zippers, the storm can rage around you while you, the upper part at least, stays dry. Thanks to the G3 Guy's breathability, you won't get soaked from the inside either. With 9 pockets, you can organize your EDC like a champ in a jacket that weighs in at just 20 ounces. The Sims' G3 guide jacket was designed to stand up to the daily abuse that flies fishing guides put their gear through on the way to the water, on the river, and in the truck on the way back to the shop. This bomb-proof wading jacket also features plenty of storage and essential hand warmer pockets to defrost your hands on particularly chilly or inclement days. The G3 guide jacket from Sims is guide tested, so you know it will hold up for seasons to come. 3-point storm hood protects against wind and rain, dry cuff sleeves further seal out moisture, and river water fleece-lined hand warmer pockets are a necessity for guides and fly fishers alike. A measure of versatility is always welcome in any EDC candidate. The Ballistic Nylon Duffel backpack hybrid from Filson acts as a duffel when you want to grab and go with a removable shoulder strap and nylon webbing hand straps. Then it converts to a backpack for longer hauls. Just pull the padded handles from their convenient stove pocket. With a big 46-liter capacity, protective storage for your laptop, and a coated nylon pocket for wet and/or muddy items, the hybrid pack is a pack that claims it's ready for anything and actually is. 600D nylon is abrasion-resistant and lightweight, convertible pack that can be carried as a duffel or as a backpack, exterior organizing pocket, lined mud-proof pocket, padded laptop sleeve fits 15-inch computers, side pocket with zippered security pocket for valuables, lined side pocket with access to the main compartment. If you'd like to save a bit of coin on your tactical pen, Nitecore has an option for you. Made from aluminum, the Nitecore Tactical Pen weighs in just under an ounce, measures 5.9 inches, and uses ballpoint German Schneider Gelion 39 ink refills. The tactical edge comes from the tungsten steel glass breaker tip. The screw-on cap can tighten to the back end of the pen as you write, and the textured mid-barrel gives you a sure grip. More than just a daily writing utensil, the Nitecore NTP21 is the anticipated update to the NTP20 Tactical Pen. On one end, the tungsten steel tapered tip functions as an effective glass breaker to smash windows or as a tool for personal safety. The NTP21 includes a high-quality German-made gel ink refill that is quick-drying, waterproof, and fade-resistant. The stainless steel tip of the NTP21 offers smooth writing in extreme temperatures and underwater. Overbuilt is a word we love around here, and Mission Workshop does it flawlessly with their small batch, handmade in the US packs and apparel. The Rake is the brand's best-selling backpack. This time it's made from waxed canvas. Designed to keep the elements off your laptop and the rest of your stuff, the Rake has dual-layer construction and water-resistant zips at 22 liters with internal and external pockets, plus straps for lashing on larger items like jackets. It's a perfect commuter or day pack, or even an overnighter for the minimalists. The Sanction is a compact weatherproof rucksack designed to hold the daily essentials, built to last a lifetime with waterproof fabrics and military spec construction. The Sanction also features multiple weatherproof compartments, urethane-coated zippers, waterproof materials, and an internal frame sheet. A large zippered pocket fits most 15-inch laptop computers and larger tablets. If a flashlight is part of your EDC, make it one that won't disappoint. Heavy-duty case maker Pelican put a lot of thought into the 7600 tactical flashlight. Brightness exceeds 900 lumens in bright white light, plus you have the option of green mode or red mode to preserve your night eyes, along with strobe and 3 brightness levels. Rechargeable via USB, the 6.19-inch flashlight has a removable clip, is fully submersible, and has an anti-reflective lens. Combining the latest lighting technology along with an array of features while maintaining a compact design makes the Pelican 7600 all-round law enforcement flashlights available. Performance surpassing 900 lumens coupled with a USB rechargeable lithium-ion battery is just the beginning of this multi-talented product. In addition to the extremely high-performance white LED light output, red and green LED are included. These additional colors provide values such as night vision preservation and can be used for traffic control when partnered with a slip-on wand accessory.